Now, there is a simple strategy which involves some of your time and it is profitable as hell. This Amazon strategy made me a lot of money and it is still making me money because this is passive income at its best. Be sure to follow me closely in this video because not only are you gonna make money, but it's simple, it's easy, and it works, guys. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. First of all, guys, go to Amazon and I just want to show you something for start. This is Kindle store and as you can see there are a lot of these Kindle ebooks which are on sale right now on Amazon.com, and that's exactly what's gonna make us money today. I found few websites which are gonna help us to create these for free, and we can sell them for a lot of money if we just pay attention and we just take some action for this because it is really profitable, guys. This is exemplary. This is really incredible how much money I have made with this strategy alone. Because there is a lot of traffic for this, guys. A lot of people are buying this and you just have to find the perfect niche or something that you're interested in, and that's gonna make you money, guys. And just look at these sales. So for example, this guy sold 4,000 of these at $5 each. Now that's almost $20,000 for him, and that's some nice money, guys. And just look at this one, 26,000 sales, guys, and that can be seen because that's the number of reviews, so that's a minimum sale amount, guys, because not everyone leaves a review after buying, so 26,000 is a minimum amount that he sold, and he sold even more than that, and he sold everything at $7.6 each. Now let's actually see how much money that is. $7.6 times 26,000 sales minimum. Now that's almost $200,000 for this guy here, guys. $200,000 for him. And he probably used the same technique that we're gonna use today, and that's how sweet this is, guys. And you can see that there are a lot of these people, a lot of people are making money with this indeed, and you can do the exact same thing, guys, because there is a lot of traffic for this and it is easy to do because that's why all these people are doing it as well, and they're making money for themselves. So we are gonna jump on that train as well. First of all, guys, we need to go to visme.co. Visme.co is gonna create everything for you, as you can see, and it's all free of charge, guys. Visme.com has a lot of templates, so you can use it. Everything is done and made for you. They've got a lot of partners. They've got this chat over here, which is going to bother you if you don't close it, but they are very helpful, and that chat is over there for that reason. So if you need any help here, these guys are happy to help 24/7, guys, and they will help you with the use of these videos, so you won't have problems with these guys at all. So for start, what I want you to do is to go right back up to the back and just click on sign up for free. And you can sign up with email and password, or you can use your Google or Facebook account. It doesn't matter. It's going to be faster that way, of course, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, guys, as you can see, if you go here on templates and click on this, you will see that there is a special option here, which is called Ebooks. Now, they've got all of these ebooks over here, and you can choose whichever one you want. So, for example, if you go into Essential Guide to Vlogging, you can do that. So, there are some technical finance things, and you can see here categories on this left side. You have everything, guys. There is something for everyone over here, and you will never run out of options here because there are plenty of these. Some of these are premium, as you can see. You have to pay for them, but you will concentrate on these which are free. So let's, for example, click on this one. We can preview it right away. We can use this template, and now in here you can edit whatever you want, guys. As you can see, there are a lot of these pages, so you can enter here whatever you want. You can change whatever you want. On this left side here, you can see a lot of options which you can choose, and you can customize your own ebook. So here you only need to be creative, guys. You need to be imaginative a little bit and just make this to your liking. Of course, use other templates, whatever you want. There are a lot of options. So guys, I just want to show you an example on how will you set this up properly and make yourself some money, guys. Huge amounts of money are here, so make sure you pay attention. Now, next step is finding our ebook for free, and we need to find that content. So we're gonna find content on this website. This is idplr.com, and as you can see, these are PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. Now, as you can see, there are some free products. You can go on free ebooks, guys, and you can download whatever you want, and you can sell it for profit. These guys have managed to contain these books over here, and they give it out to everyone so everyone can use them and make profit out of them. After that, you take that content, come here to visme.com and use all of these technical stuff over here and your creativity, guys, to make yourself ebook which you can sell on Amazon.com, guys, and you can make money just like these guys are doing, and you can be rich from it. It's really easy, guys. And just look, IDPLR has over 6,000 books, guys. You can use all of them, and that's passive income for you guys. The more time you invest in making these, the more money you're gonna get. And as you can see here, categories, guys, a lot of categories are here. So business and making money, marketing and promotion, social medias and networks, web development, some tutorials, trainings, fitness and training for everyone. There is something for everyone. You can find anything over here. It's so wide, guys. Of course, you can use a software like Spinbot is, and you can change that text because maybe Amazon can take it down if they see that it is copyrighted from somewhere, but basically they don't do it. But you can be sure if you put this Spinbot, they will never find out. So that's a nice way to make some assurances for yourself, and this software is really nice, really reliable, and I use it all the time, and it does the job really. And of course, once you find that book and you change on Spinbot the order of the words there, feel free to go on visme.com and change everything here that doesn't suit your niche. You can change the text. As you can see, you can change some diagrams, some photos, which you can want. These guys have everything, so there is nothing to worry about. As you can see, some pretty nice templates here. And once you are done with it, you just click here on download button and it'll go straight to your computer. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. That's everything. And then once you are satisfied with your design, with your book in general, simply go on Amazon.com and click here on sell button. As you can see, it is located over here. And now just become an Amazon seller. Click on sign up here, and now make yourself a new Amazon seller account. And that's pretty simple, guys. Just enter in your email or mobile phone number in this box over here and enter in your password, of course. Click on next, and that's it. Right away, you can start making money just like these people are doing. And just remember this one, guys, almost $200,000 for one book. I mean, that's incredible. That's some nice amount of money, and I highly suggest you guys go and do the exact same thing. It is possible. It is easy, guys. It works. It just requires a little bit of your time and some dedication and motivation, and go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.